Alright folks, welcome to Gatosefx. This is another episode whereby we are going to backtest and analyze some of the pair which I took last week. Of course, before all, make sure you follow and subscribe in my YouTube channel, which is Gatosefx, as well as don't forget to go into my Instagram page, which is also Gatosefx, where you can see my charts and learn from me. And moreover, don't forget to go to my YouTube channel, follow and subscribe. This is Gatosefx. Today we are going to backtest and see how I took this trade. It was a Eurocad with 125 pips. We are going to take a look at this trade, how it was actually formulated and how I was able to spot this opportunity. So let's go to the chart and see what really happened. Okay guys, first of all, when you get into the chart, make sure you clean your chart, make it clear and clean so that you can have an independent observation, the analysis of the pair. So this is Eurocad and this is a weekly time frame. First of all, I went into the weekly time frame. However, I also observed the monthly time frame and to see what exactly is happening, what's going on to happen. Just like as you can see here, from the monthly time frame, the market was literally making lower low and lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then higher high. So here we have had a shifty from the monthly time frame, where we had the market made a shifty and it ended the trend of being bearish, and now it starts to tell us that the market is going to be bullish. So monthly time frame, the pair is bullish due to the bullish change of character. The same change of character which we have seen in the monthly time frame will probably be seen also in the weekly time frame, whereby even in the weekly time frame we can clearly see the higher time frame order flow. The market is making high high and high low, high 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 low, high 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 low, lower low, lower high, lower low, then we had higher high. So we had a shifty of the weekly time frame, but also in the weekly time frame we have had bullish structure whereby the market is making high high and high low, high 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 low, and then high high and higher high low. So basing on the conference, we would say that weekly time frame is bullish just because number one, we have a weekly bullish change of character, and also we have a weekly bullish structure. So when we were observing this pair, it was around seeing these areas. So let's go and see at the daily time frame what really happened in the daily time frame. When we got into the daily time frame, since the market was still making higher highs and higher lows, so we have had here we had a daily lower low on the bottom, the lower low on the bottom, and on top here we had a daily higher. I remember when I was observing this market, I took a buy trade, around somewhere here. It was just like that. But I was very much confident to proclaim that this pair is still bullish just because of the order flow, even from the daily time frame, whereby the market is making a high and high low, high high, high low, higher high, higher low, then we had high high. So we have had another break of structure around here. This is a break of structure here. This is a break of structure also. And again, we have the major break of structure around this area. So I was terming it as this bearish trend, which was just like seen like a recent daily trend, was just a correction phase so that the market can have a continuation, unless the market break below and close under, we will consider being bearish in bearish continuation. But if we close above and continue, then we will have confirmation that the market is still going upward. So this being the case, when I was in the 4-hour time frame, because when I was observing this pair, it was around these areas. I spotted to get the buy-in. Pair was around these areas. So I actually I knew this market was going upward to the levels of support and resistance of 4-hour, as we can clearly see around this area. We have support and resistance level where I closed my trade. This is where I closed my trade, because this area we have this as support, resistance, or expected price. Once reached around this zone, we could have facing also a resistance. So that's where I was closing my trade. And when I was analyzing this pair, price was almost around these areas. It was just around these areas. So I was following. I knew the market was going upward. So what I actually did was following this. I traded this retracement because I found out that the market now was making high and high low, high, because this is where I found this market. It was around this area. So here under this area, what I actually found out that the market was breaking the structure, going above. This was a break of structure, and this one was also a break of structure. So I knew the price would come to make a retracement under this area, because this area also had some features of support and of resistance. As you can see that around this area here, price faced with resistance, and this is support. So I knew after having this break of structure, price will have to make a certain retracement in order to get the liquidity for continuation being bullish up the daily higher highs. So what I didn't just place my order. Here just because the price came around this area. I also went into 1 hour. This price took me even to 1 hour. Went into 1 hour. I was looking to 1 hour bullish engulfing. When the price was making this retracement, this was a 1 hour retracement towards 4-hour support and resistance zone. So I was following this trend. Market was making high and higher low. We had lower low, lower high. Market failed to continue to print another new higher lower low. Then we have had high highs. So this was just like a 1 hour change of character. Then the price has already gotten into a area of interest, which is 4-hour support and resistance zone. So here is where I figured out my trade. Of course, I found out we have an inside formation here, which is found within the area of interest, which is 4-hour support and resistance zone. So here I just placed my order. Of course, I didn't place it below here from the lowers of inside formation, because the number of pips was not big. Around this whole area was 20 pips. So I placed my order here. At the upper line of the support and resistance zone. This is where I bought this pair. And my targeted take profit was above. I put a stop loss of at least 20 to 25 pips, and boom, this is what happened. Price came around the area and took all the way along to our targeted take profit point. This is how this trade was actually formed, and it has had about 125 pips. So guys, make sure you follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel Gatosefx, so that you can learn more from the pairs like this. So the end of this episode is just the mark at the beginning of the other new episode. My name is Robert Gauza. I'm an economist and pro mentor trader of foreign exchange market. See you next time.